When you walk into a luxury real estate launch in India, माहौल कुछ ऐसा होता है that you have already stepped in Dubai. The air conditioning is freezing, the staff speaks flawless English, and they are serving you premium coffee. They show you 3D models and say, "Sir, only 3 flats available on this floor." High ROI, delivery in 36 months, everything feels perfect, and you will feel that you have finally made it in your life. But today, let me show you the absolute opposite side of this glamour. Welcome to the graveyard of Indian middle class. ये वो जगह है जहाँ ड्रीम्स और लाइफ सेविंग्स दोनों को जिंदा जला दिया जाता है. Today, I'm going to tell you a story that spans 15 years. No interviews, no corporate PR, no sugar coating, unfiltered, raw truth of how an entire generation's retirement was legally plundered by the corporate builder nexuses. कैसे एक पूरी नस्ल को एक बिल्डर नेक्सस खराब कर देता है. And to understand the depth of this tragedy, I want you to meet the man named Suresh Kumar. Suresh ji is not an imaginary character. He represents the retired government and many corporate employees across India who have still not gotten their houses. In 2011, Suresh ji retired after 35 long years of service. पूरी जिंदगी की जो ग्रेचुटी मिली, पीएफ का जो पैसा मिला, करीब 40 लाख रुपए. He decided to put it all into a dream, and he wanted a 3 BHK flat in a gated society. And why? Because he did not want to pack his entire life into a cardboard boxes every 2 years when a landlord increases the rent. He wanted his family to feel stability. The builder promised delivery in 2014, but it is May 2026. 15 साल हो गए, 15 साल. 15 years is the time it takes for a toddler to finish a high school. In these 15 years, Suresh ji's hair turned completely white. His knees failed him. His son got married in a rented house, and his grandchildren were born in that particular rented house. But every single month for the last 180 months, Suresh ji has watched a text message drop on his phone. Your account has been debited for 45,000 for your home loan EMI. He is paying for a ghost. Now let's analyze the mechanics of this ट्रैप बिकॉज क्रोनोलॉजी समझना बहुत बहुत जरूरी है. Most people think a delayed project just means that you have to wait a bit longer, but it doesn't go that way. It is a financial death sentence for a middle class family. I call it the double bleeding trap. Imagine a young professional or a retiree caught in this loop. They are bleeding cash from two veins simultaneously. एक तो मंथली EMI जा रही है फॉर दैट घोस्ट फ्लैट 50,000 रुपए की, ऊपर से मंथली रेंट जा रहा है टू एक्चुअली लिव समवेयर दैट इज 30,000 रुपीज. पूरा मंथली आउटफ्लो है 80,000 रुपए का. इसको अगर 10 साल यानी कि 120 महीने से कैलकुलेट करें, कम्स आउट टू बी 96 लाख रुपीज. और 15 साल यानी कि 180 महीने से कैलकुलेट करें, कम्स आउट टू बी 1.44 करोड़. नियरली 1.5 करोड़. ये वो रकम है जिसमें एक आदमी 2 नए फ्लैट ले सकता था उस समय में. बट द इंडियन मिडिल क्लास इज पेइंग इमेंस पेनल्टी जस्ट फॉर द क्राइम ऑफ ट्रस्टिंग अ रजिस्टर्ड डेवलपर. ये इतना बड़ा क्राइम हो चुका है. पीपल टेल यू रियल एस्टेट इज एन एसेट. आई टेल यू इफ यू पिक द रॉन्ग डेवलपर, इट इज एन एब्सोल्यूट black hole that swallows 3 generation of family savings in one go. Now let's ask the ultimate question that the system doesn't want you to ask. पैसा कहाँ गया? If 2,000 buyers in the single society paid 90% of their hard-earned money to the developer, why are these towers incomplete? Why there is no cement? Why there is no paint? No elevators? The answer is systematic intentional diversion of funds. The money you paid to build your children's bedroom was taken by the developer and channeled through shell companies, and they used your money to buy massive land banks elsewhere, fund their luxury lifestyles, or start new projects to trap new batch of buyers again. and this has been happening for many decades in India. And when the market shifted, the house of cards finally collapsed. अब सिस्टम का मजाक देखिए. The developer hires top tier lawyers paying 10 lakh rupees per court hearing, gets bail, lives in plush bungalows, go outside India, and meanwhile people like Suresh Ji spends his Sunday morning holding a cardboard placard in scorching sun outside a locked corporate office begging for his own money. कितनी विडंबना है, कितना परेशान करने वाला दृश्य है ये. Yes, we have RERA now. Yes, the courts are step by step trying to fix this. बहुत समय लग रहा है. But the pace of justice in our country is slower than the erosion of the mountains. इतनी wait. By the time a resolution professional is appointed and a new developer takes over, decades have flown by. सालों साल बीत जाते हैं. इंसान की आधी उम्र कोर्ट के चक्कर काटने में खत्म हो जाती है. This video is not just a sad story. It is a brutal reality check for every single person watching the screen right now. And if you're planning to book a under construction property just because of the subvention plans or the payment plans or different attractive payment layouts, please hit the brakes right now. Do not buy promises. Do not fall for those sample flats. याद रखिए, सैंपल फ्लैट कांच का महल होता है, असली फ्लैट ईट और गारे से ही बनता है. If you don't see heavy machinery and active construction moving on that side, do not sign the check. Your bank will never forgive your EMI just because your builder ran away. The system protects the big fish, but it is engineered automatically to crush the common man. Share this video with your parents, with your colleagues, anyone who is planning to buy a home. Let's make enough noise so that these ghost towers stop multiplying, at least now. So this is Vipul signing off from Vipul Talks. Stay smart, stay safe, and do not buy a paper dream, because आपको गुड़गांव में बहुत सारे डेवलपर्स मिलेंगे. बहुत कंफ्यूजन होगी, कौन सी प्रॉपर्टी लें, कौन सी ना लें. और इस वीडियो के माध्यम से मैं आपको ये नहीं बोलना चाह रहा हूँ कि अंडर कंस्ट्रक्शन प्रॉपर्टी मत लीजिए, या मैं अंडर कंस्ट्रक्शन प्रॉपर्टी को डिस्करेज नहीं कर रहा हूँ. बट मैं सिर्फ और सिर्फ आपको ये समझाने की बात कर रहा था कि बहुत माइंडफुली डिसीजन लीजिए. ऐसी बातों में मत आइए. नए डेवलपर के पास जाने से पहले, चेक साइन करने से पहले, प्रॉपर्टी बुक कराने से पहले कम से कम 100 बार सोचना. और पुराने डेवलपर के पास भी अगर जा रहे हो तो उसकी लेगेसी चेक करना, फाइनेंशियल स्ट्रेंथ चेक करना, एक अच्छी कंसल्टेंसी लेना जो आपके लिए सोचे, सिर्फ और सिर्फ अपनी ब्रोकरेज और अपने पैसे के लिए ना सोचे. सो आई होप आपको ये वीडियो पसंद आई होगी. अगर आपको ये कंटेंट पसंद आया तो वीडियो को शेयर और लाइक ज़रूर कर दीजिएगा, और चैनल पे बने रहिएगा ताकि ऐसा कंटेंट मैं आपके लिए लेके आता रहूँ. आज के लिए थैंक यू. आई विल सी यू इन द नेक्स्ट वीडियो अराउंड.